You have to make the call. Is it a leak or just normal residue? Well, we're going to find out how to tell next.
This video is sponsored by Nissan, innovation that excites. Visit partsadvantage.nissanusa.com for more information.
Diagnosing leaks can be the most difficult task for some technicians. It requires some skill and some patience. Here are 3 steps to help you tell if it's a leak or something that's absolutely normal. Number 1, check the fluid level. If you see a leak on the bottom of a vehicle, check the reservoir from where it's leaking from. This could be the engine oil, transmission fluid, brake fluid, or even power steering fluid to make sure that the level is where it should be. If it is down, well, that's a sign that there's a leak. Number 2 is perform a thorough inspection with your eyes. Use a flashlight and check the ground underneath the vehicle, inside frame rails, and also some of the under tray of the vehicle. Make sure that you see where it is coming from and also the appearance. Does it have a matte finish or is it glossy? Those will tell you a lot about the potential for the leak. Number 3, some residue on some components like a transmission housing, a rear axle, a transfer case, and even the area between the engine block and the head. It's common to have some residue there on higher mileage vehicles. This is perfectly normal. This is why checking the level of the coolant or other fluid inside the system is critical and performing a thorough inspection to find a leak. But if it's just residue, this could be perfectly normal and there's no need to replace a part. Just keep in mind that solving a leak for a customer may require 2 visits. First one to inspect the vehicle, second one to check the level of the fluid after a few thousand miles of driving. So have patience. I'm Markel. Thank you very much.